Formula and variation is a topic in Form 3 that is always tested in Paper 2 examinations, mathematics. And we want to look into this question, get to understand what we are supposed to do. Solution. So let us have the solution for this question. The question reads, we have A is equals to BD. We divide everything by the square root of B squared minus D. So for us to work out this question well, we'll have to eliminate the square root from the denominator part. And how are we going to do that? We'll have to square uh, both sides. We square both sides here. We square and then we square this other side. By squaring, we will remove the square root in the denominator part. So we have a squared is equals to b squared d squared all over. Now the square root is gone, b squared minus d. Now the next step, we want to do away with the denominator by multiplying both sides by b squared minus d. Then we multiply this other side uh, with this b squared minus d. So on this side, this b squared minus d will cancel. Then we will open the bracket on the left hand side. We have a squared, b squared minus a squared, and then we have d. This one is equivalent to b squared, then d squared. So the next thing, we want to put like terms together. If you look keenly, you discover that we have got common elements, and our aim is to make b the subject of the formula. So we are going to bring elements that have b on the left hand side. So we have a squared, b squared minus b squared d squared. This one is equals to this one is a positive. When it crosses the equal sign, it will change to a positive. So we have a squared, then d is here. We have common elements here. The common element is b squared. So we are going to factor it out. B squared, we open the bracket, a squared minus d squared. This one is equals to a squared, then we have d. The next thing, we want to remain with b squared on the left hand side. What are we going to do? We divide everything with a squared minus d squared, a squared minus d squared. So this a squared minus d squared will cancel. The numerator and the denominator part will cancel. We'll end up having b squared being equal to a squared, and then d. We divide everything with a squared minus d squared. So the next thing, we want to remove the square root on the left hand side. And how are we going to do that? We will find this square root on this other side. We'll find the square root on this other side. We'll find the square root and again find the square root on this other side. So this will cancel, and then we'll end up having b which is equal to, now we'll have to change here things and say it is in fact plus or minus the square root of a squared d. Then we divide everything with a squared minus d squared, and we have made b the subject of the formula. We have made be the subject of the formula. That is how simple this topic this topic is. Remember, it is tested in paper 2. You cannot miss a question. It was tested in this year's exam 2024 mathematics paper 2, and it will be tested in the remaining years that we have. Now, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share for more interesting content on mathematics. I'm going to drop more content on both paper 1 mathematics and paper 2 mathematics, as well as chemistry. So stay tuned.